So we have a problem. I don't know if you've heard, but I have definitely been seeing a lot going on with that Wicked cast. And not even just the Wicked cast. It's been more so like all of Hollywood combined. I don't know if they have like a group chat or something, but like everybody's everybody. And it's really, really concerning. But yeah. So Hollywood's starving. Literally starving. And for a place where literally everybody has multi-million-dollar homes, these are the people that can afford groceries for years and years and years without having to ever think about their bank account running low. So they are the people that do not have to worry about food, and at the same time, they are not eating any. And we're starting to see everybody in Hollywood sort of having this emaciated look. And it's something we need to talk about because these are the people that are supposed to be inspiring us, supposed to be making us have those sort of dreams and aspirations and be shown as a sort of prosperity, and this is the glamorous life. This is the life that you should want, right? Like fame, money, like talent, stardom, like this is what people should want. Like celebrities to us are people that we should kind of be into and see and want to like aspire to be like. They were the OG influencers, and to an extent they still are. We still have those people that we love to see on a screen. We love to see act. We love to see sing. And I still love Ariana's bops. She is still very problematic, but there is that thing of she is a really good singer. Like to me, I love her voice and I love to hear her. I think that she is an amazingly beautiful woman, but I just see her now and I feel scared. Like I genuinely think that is so terrifying to see somebody this small and this bony, and it's like getting to the point where I really want for there to be some intervention. I see her and I see Cynthia. I've been looking at the before and afters, and it's very scarily insane seeing the difference. Ariana has always been a petite girl, right? Like she has never been like even a regular American woman size. She's never been that 6 to 8. I think she's always been a very small petite girl, like even in her regularly sized eras. And now seeing the difference between what her normal looks like to now is been a like very shocking thing to see. And for her to just like everybody around her just kind of acts like it's normal. Like everybody around her is acting like it's normal because to them it is normal. And it's very scary seeing like bones, sternums, like collarbones that I could eat like food out of because it's like as deep as a bowl. Like it's very scary. Every single person is becoming a shell of the person that they used to be, and it's so scary seeing that because I know that if I was not in as a better mindset about it than I am now, I can see that thing and be like, oh my god, like that's the look now. Like that, like she still looks amazing in the dress. Like she still looks great how she is. Like that is the look. That's what they're like trying to do right now, and that's like what I should be going for. Hollywood always pushes out their things that they want the general public to do, right? There was the Kardashians. They had the BBL industry in a chokehold forever, right? Like it was the thing to actually be the opposite of what it is now. 2016 thick was in. It was the thing to do. Everybody and their mom now has a BBL, right? Like it is just the way to be. And a lot of people were like, it's the thing to be. It was in music, it was sung about, it was rapped about, it was shown in all the TV shows. Like not every TV show, but like it was shown in a lot of places. It became popular on social media. Miami is known for it. You go to the Dominican, you're coming back with a BBL. you could be botched. Like, there's always a chance of being botched, but if you're not botched and you don't like kick rocks for like even doing the dangerous surgery in the first place, you will come out with a BBL that may or may not BBL air around you. But still, like, people were literally risking their lives to have the look that celebrities and Instagram people, like Instagram influencers, were showing them. So this is the next thing. We're going in circles. We went from 2000 skinny, 2010 thick, and now we're going back to 2020 skinny. And it's just this thing of, when is your regular body enough? Like, we have people, like, there's always a person that you see that you're like, oh my God, I would just love to be them. And they're looking at somebody else being like, oh my God, I know I look good and I know I have so many followers on this and that, but they are just perfect. Everybody else is looking at somebody else with the idea that they want to be somebody else. Like, nobody is looking at themselves and saying, I think I look good for me. Like, I like the way I look. Like, I am comfortable with myself. There's that eternal competition now that we have to kind of deal with, that is just like, it's not enough. Like, I am not enough. And things like this only push that further. There is, like, in every single like part of the world, we're seeing this like be affected. We're seeing it left and right being the whole affected by these standards. And it's just, but it's super concerning. I know that I definitely have seen a lot of people on my page trying to be extremely small and being more so praised for our venture back to 2000 skinny. I was born after the 2000s started, the 90s and 2000s eras. I'm a 2000s baby. So seeing that sort of shift towards a dangerously underweight culture is very concerning. On TikTok, I see a lot. There are a lot of people that have been making that push from more of that muscular build, that muscle mommy aesthetic, and that want to venture more towards that sort of like Pilates aesthetic and that it girl, rich girl, like quiet money vibes, if that makes sense. A lot of the skinny is wealth. A lot of the, if like I'm like having that very slim build, that supermodel build that is very thin, very straight, very just like not having too much body fat percentage is what a lot of people have been trying to go towards in this past couple of years now, and it's something that has been picking up a lot of traction. I know that as a kid, Tumblr era, like there was a lot going on that was more unregulated when I was a kid, but along the years there has been a lot of talk of that, making sure that you actually feed your body, making sure that you take care of your body, making sure that you essentially feed yourself healthy foods so that if you do want to lose weight, you lose it healthily. But there has been another rise of the just don't eat, like that whole food will never taste as good as skinny feels mindset. And as somebody that's been through that wanting to lose weight journey and being sucked into spaces that are dangerous, like those pro-Ana spaces, it's very easy to get lost in something that is competitive. Like you see it and you want to win. You want to like feel better. You reiterate these sayings to yourself to make you feel like you're doing it for like this right sort of cause. But at some point you have to realize this isn't the way how to do it. I like started to feel so empty, so small, like so like it's so easy to feel like you're losing so much at one time, and you're not really losing what you should be losing, right? Your body is literally eating itself to survive, and I feel like when you're in that mindset, you don't even think about it, because it's like you're getting smaller. You look at the scale, you're getting smaller, you're fitting into your clothes that you couldn't fit into before, and it's just like a thing of, oh my god, I'm doing it, and you recite the things to yourself over and over again, and it works, but it's working for the wrong reasons. People see you, they're like, oh my god, what happened? And not like, oh my god, what happened? Like, it's a concerning feeling when people see you becoming a shell of yourself. And to see that happen to celebrities who already usually have everything that they already want, the only thing left is that extra competition on top of it. Who can be the best at being the best in everything? And it's really weird to see that it's happening to everybody on the set. It's become not just a thing for Ariana, but now it's a thing for Cynthia, and now it's a thing for Michelle. To an extent, there is like some push that you need to actually lose weight. If you want to lose weight, you can do it. If you want to like have a goal and achieve it, and that is putting more effort into the way that you look in the body that you want, that is doable. That is something that is possible. But not eating, taking Ozempic so that you don't want to eat, and then just trying to survive off of 5 almonds is not the way to go. It is disordered eating, and it is something that gets people hurt, that gets people put in the hospital, that gets people like in a state where their body is losing the ability to function properly. And seeing it in the public eye, seeing it to just like such a big kind of scale with these celebrities promoting a movie that has been so popular to young girls and many people in our generation is a really bad example. A lot of people look up to Ariana Grande. A lot of people look up to like these stars in these movies, and it's not just Wicked. A lot of people are becoming these skinny shells of themselves, and it's not okay to kind of push it out. But a lot of people are also seeing this is very weird. Like, there are many videos of people being concerned of how skinny Hollywood is becoming. We are seeing bones, we are seeing like sunken in faces, we are seeing hair loss, tiredness, like everything that is the downside of having EDs. Like, we are seeing that in live time with these people, and it's scary. It's scary seeing it just like happen in front of us, because where are the people that are helping them, like that are letting them know, like, are you okay? Like, this isn't okay. You should be trying to get some like healthy things in. You should be trying to do this, trying to do that. And I've also heard that like Cynthia and Ariana are Anna's sisters, which is very plausible. Very, very plausible. Honestly, I feel like most of the women on the cast are Anna's sisters, but it is like a thing of, if everybody's doing it, nobody is there to really tell them that it's wrong. And it's a very, very touchy thing to like have to show somebody out when everybody is doing the thing that is like so dangerous. Like, you can't really help somebody that doesn't want to be helped, especially when they're in a group where they are doing said thing that they need to be helped from. Like, it is very hard to help somebody with like a problem that just is going to continue to happen, especially if everybody in the group is trying to do it. So I have my phone here, and I have some TikToks that I wanted to react to, because basically I had seen some weird behavior between Cynthia and Ariana, and I'm not sure if it's the lack of food that's making their brain act weird, or if they're like there's a secret that we don't know or something, but I just think it's super weird. Like, I don't know. So it's this video of when the fan rushed Ariana at one of the premieres for Wicked for Good, and it is so crazy. Like, first of all, that was so dangerous, and the time that it took the bodyguards to actually step in is actually insane. And Cynthia she went in immediately. She immediately kind of pushed the guy away, grabbed Ariana in a loving embrace, and like after it was dealt with. But it was so weird. And then you can see that Cynthia, she still has like a lot of muscle on her, like she still has a muscle tone, like that's still there, but she is so much smaller than she used to be. Like, it is night and day seeing the difference, and it actually is so crazy. But everybody is so skinny. Cynthia was there. She can push the guy off. Like, I don't think he was like trying to like hold on to her like too hard, but still, like, I don't think that even if she tried, she would really have the energy to try to really push him off with any sort of real force. And I think that's very kind of like scary, not having the energy to really defend yourself if needed. I think it's really important to kind of have that ability within yourself to get yourself out of a dangerous situation if needed. So this is very, very bad for like any sort of situation that was any more serious than just like this troll-ish. Basically, like, I've known that he's done this before. Like, I heard that he like was the one that jumped, it was either like Katy Perry or Lady Gaga or something, but he was the same person to jump up and get on stage. And once again, security kind of was really sucky and didn't really do anything for the first like 5 seconds. Like, it was really it's like he has a 5-second like immunity boost or something. But like, yeah, so yeah, that's crazy. That is pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to do a short video over this. I'm still not used to doing like the like yapping. I'm gonna call this series like my yapping sessions. It's because I do love to yap about random topics. And yeah, I'm gonna start this series. Hopefully it becomes like a whole thing. I can never run out of topics to talk about. I love like thinking and talking about things. So yeah, I'm actually gonna film another video right after this about something completely different. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and tell me anything you guys want to see in the next time, or anything you guys want to talk about, anything that I left out or you think is going on in this. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Love you guys.